one of the things that any utility can do, large or small, is become active in that method of inquiry, right? You've got all this data available. Start to run little experiments. Start to look for things that are out of place. Start to test hypotheses and theories about your security operations that are actually outside the bounds of policy or regulation, right? You're meeting the criteria, which is a fantastic start, but what other questions can your team ask about the way your systems are behaving or the way you would expect them to behave? And having a scalable, elastic environment, right, like the cloud is a great way to do that. But I'll be honest, you can do that on premise today just to get started. It might be a little more expensive. You might struggle a little bit with some of the automation and scale, but it's more about what you do and not necessarily the tool you use to do it, right? And so I would just offer that if you are a utility that has these kinds of concerns, you need to start looking at the data, you need to start experimenting, and focus a little more on what you can do with what you have and less about where's that magic box you can buy to somehow fix the problem, because it just doesn't exist.